Alright, good day to all. So this is one of the most exciting days because one of the most requested item is already here at Game Selections. It's labeled classical arcade game station, or some may say it's called Pandora. So we'll be doing the unboxing today. This version is the Wi-Fi version, so meaning you can connect it to the internet. So this is the one of the latest versions. So we'll do the unboxing now. Alright, let's see what's inside. Classical arcade game station, professional design. Alright, let's see what's inside. Okay, straight on the box we have the converter, VGA to HDMI adapter. Here the buttons, another extra buttons here, HDMI cable, power adapter, VGA cable. What's this? USB cable, and here Pandora's Game 3D. And let's see what's inside. Buttons here, manuals. Let's get this one outside. Okay, and alright, so this is the actual item. So it's with the Street Fighter 5 Ryu. Player 1 is white, and another one here is the black. So we'll connect this to the TV right now, and stay tuned.